Yeah. What up? Welcome back to another video, guys. What a gloomy day it is here in dirty Jersey. Today we're gonna be going out and we're gonna be doing the review on my Lucky Speed Shop shorty levers that I had installed not so long ago. If you guys want to see the install video on those levers, I'm gonna link it up at the end of the video, so you guys go ahead and click that. It's pretty easy to do. If I could do it, you could do it. Right. Oh, I love that popping sound. You gotta love that TBR, baby. Alright guys, so if you guys see my previous install videos, you know that I like to install my parts, do a video on it, and then wait a little while and then do the review on the part. So with that being said, I've had the levers on for about 2 weeks now. I had a nice little long ride this weekend. We went up to Connecticut, so very nice long ride with that, so I was able to try them out a lot. I've been cruising around town for a bit as well, so I'm able to give you a real in-depth and honest review. No, I did not get these for free. I paid with them with my own hard-earned cash. So yes, this is an honest review. I always give you guys an honest review on everything, whether I like it, whether I don't like it. You guys always get the honest truth on this channel. My Velcro isn't working as much anymore. Maybe it's just dirty. So the shorty levers, I love them. I completely love them. I'm the type of rider that I'm used to just using 2 fingers for either the brake or the clutch lever, and for me it's perfect. I put my 2 fingers right over the lever and it fits perfectly. If you're the type of dude that has really big hands, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to recommend these for you, because I mean my hands they're like normal size, you could say, and I'm 5'7", so if that makes sense. I'm able to put my 2 fingers right on the lever, and if I wanted to put 3, I wouldn't be able to. I'll be like all scrunched up, but 2 fingers fit on me perfectly. The angle of them and where they're at, it's also a nice good position. It's not like I have to reach over far or anything like that, so they're real comfortable to use. The quality on them is really nice. What else can I say about them? We're gonna keep going down here and then I'll pull over at Cycle Gear because I want to go look at something in there. But yeah, the quality on them is really good, guys. I know a lot of you guys' biggest concern is the paint job gonna match perfectly with the wheels, and yes, it is. It's gonna match really good. They look amazing. We'll pull over here and I'll get off and give you guys a nice little walk around of the bike. But the levers have been performing very well. Like I said, they feel really comfortable and they're very easy to install, guys. I always tell you guys on my install videos, I'm not a mechanic. I'm nowhere near a mechanic. And if I could do it, you could do it. Simple as that. We can pull over in here. Cycle Gear. I haven't been here in a while, so I've been shopping from here for some time. Brat. All right, let me show you guys the levers. Here we go. So as you can see, beautiful color. It does match up perfectly with the wheels down here. They look really good. And they have different ones too. They have the trigger ones where you could just, you know, has the trigger part right there, so you could just pull back on it and hold it in place. I was originally gonna go with that, and I was originally gonna go with all blacked out look and go with the shorty trigger ones, but I just changed my mind. I saw these and I just said, you know what, boom, those are it. As you can see here, this one, the tip on my grip is like a little more brighter than what this is, because this is more of a goldish color. This is just bronze, but the bronze color, like I said, it does match perfectly with the wheels. They look great. They function really good, guys. Like I said, they're very easy to install. And the quality is really good, like I said before. So yeah, shout out to Lucky Speed Shop. Amazing product. That's the bike. I think that's gonna be it, guys. I'm gonna go inside Cycle Gear and see if I can find something in there. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. If this is the type of content you're into, you're definitely in the right place. This is my baby right here, my 2020 Lowrider S, which I'm building out little by little. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon as I notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. And that's it, guys. Like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Look, but please don't touch. What do we have here? Please wear a face mask. Will my helmet consider a face mask? Ooh. Yeah? My helmet counts as a face mask, right?
Yeah.
Alright, good.
I'll give you a mask if you want.
Nah, I'm good. It's fine. You guys have any Simpsons or no? No, the one right above, yeah. I think I'm a